My name is Joe and I'm the centre manager here at Hang Climbing Wall in London. So Hang Climbing Wall is it's a bouldering wall. We have been open for about 8.5 months. It started by a group of dedicated climbers that wanted to just provide an amazing space for people to come and enjoy bouldering. So being a climbing wall, obviously climbers use climbing chalk, which is great for climbing, but not so good when it comes to dust management. So it's a daily battle for us. We're using two other vacuums and we wanted to get something larger, kind of more powerful to try and sort of help keep the amount of chalk in the building down. And we were recommended the Starmix as something which would just do a better job at picking up the chalk, 'cause it's quite a fine powder. A lot of sort of more standard vacuums for a household aren't quite up for the job, and since we've had the Starmix, we've noticed a big improvement in the chalk that's in the building. I think for anyone coming to a climbing wall, having a clean space to be in that isn't just really, really chalky, really, really dusty, is much nicer to be in. You know, it's quite a physical exercise, so you're breathing in heavily. If the area is filled with chalk, it's not as pleasant. So I do think, you know, myself as a climber going to other centres, you do notice that the Hang is really clean, and it does add to the customer enjoyment. So every day the centre gets vacuumed pretty much in its entirety. So we do all of the black matting in the centre, all of the grey matting, and yeah, just go around, make sure it looks spick and span for open. I guess in comparison to the usual domestic vacuum, it's got a much bigger capacity, so there's less need to change it on a daily basis. Plus the fact that it actually cleans its filters itself means I spend much less time cleaning out the filters, changing the bag. So yeah, just saving time, and it's just doing a better job. If you're a climbing wall or anything that an industry with a lot of dust, spend the money on a decent vacuum. It's worth it. So yeah, working with dust arrest, it's been really, really good, and yeah, it's been really, really straightforward, getting all the information we need, and it's been honest information. They've got the knowledge that we needed. It's been genuine, relevant help for us as a business, giving us the products that we need. Yeah, so the nickname is Catherine Parr, because she outlived Henry.